Hey, Kalam here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to translate PDF file to different language. First, I open maybe Google Drive. It's free of cost. You don't need to spend any single month. So first, open Google Drive, then click on plus new icon. Then again, file uploaded. So you need to upload your document PDF file to here. Wow, and replacing both. Okay, upload. Okay, it's completed. Now just open this file, then click on open with Google Drive or open with Google Docs. Now is transfer Google Drive to Google Docs. So here's the main point. Keep in mind here. Then click on tool. Then again click on translate document and again choose your language. Here are the lots of language you can translate your this PDF file. So if I choose on Spanish, then click on translate. It's going to another PDF. So now you need to click on file. So you can see my file are fully translated. So I need to right now download this file and click on file. Again click on download, then click on PDF. Wow, it's already downloaded through my computer. If I open this one, you can see it's very nice. So this is the method how you translate your PDF file to different languages using free methods. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you like and subscribe the channel. See you again, take care, goodbye.